गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट। बच्चों, आज हम आप लोगों को आर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन के एग्जाम्पल बताएंगे। आप इसे नोट डाउन कर लीजिएगा। इट इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन एंड प्रिपरेशन। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट, definition of order of reaction. What is the order of reaction? So dear students, the sum of power of reactant molecule which decided rate of reaction is called order of reaction. Yeah, the number of reactant molecule which concentration decided rate of reaction is called order of reaction. बच्चों, आइए देखा जाए some example. First order of reaction. Here some example of first order of reaction. CaCO3 decomposed in CaO plus CO2. CaSO4 decomposed in CaO plus SO3. Na2SO4 decomposed in Na2O plus SO3, and ammonium sulfate decomposed in ammonia plus sulfuric acid. Ammonium nitrate decomposed in ammonia plus NO2. These are all first order of reaction because here only one reactant molecule molar concentration decided rate of reaction. So rate of reaction, you have to write a rate of reaction is equal to K active mass 1 reactant molecule. So this is the first order of reaction. Okay, let's see a second order of reaction. H2 plus I2 is equal to 2HI. NO2, 2NO2 decomposed in NO3 plus NO. CaO plus CO2 combined together form CaCO3. CaO plus SO3 combined together form CaSO4. 2HCl decomposed in H2 plus Cl2, and 2NaOH decomposed in Na2O plus H2. These are all example of second order of reaction. You have to write rate of reaction for second order of reaction is rate is equal to proportional constant reactant per molar concentration 2. This is the second order of reaction. Okay. Next here, third order of reaction. Example of third order of reaction is the 2NO2 plus O2 gives 2NO3. 2SO3 plus O2 gives 2SO4. 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. 2NO2 plus S2 gives 2HNO3. 2Na plus Cl2 gives 2NaCl. These are all third order of reaction, and rate is equal to proportional constant active mass molar concentration of reactant by power third. Okay. Now zero order of reaction. Actually, those chemical reaction which rate are completely free from the molar concentration of reactant molecule is called zero order of reaction. These type of reaction will occur only in specific condition, presence of catalyst. See H2 plus Cl2, presence of sunlight gives 2HCl. 2NH3 decomposed in N2 plus 3H2, presence of gold or silver. This is a specific condition, catalyst. So this will be zero order of reaction, and rate will be rate of reaction is completely free from the reactant concentration. And here reactant concentration will be zero. Next, fractional order of reaction. Dear student, in some chemical reaction, experimentally it was found out that the molar concentration of reactant molecule will absorb in fractional number, decimal number, like CH3CHO, ethanol gives methane plus carbon monoxide. Here, the molar concentration of acid aldehyde or methanol is a rate proportional CH3CHO is 3/2. And the order of reaction will be 3/2 means 1.5, which will be a fractional number. Same condition in thionyl chloride and carbon monoxide plus Cl2. In case of carbon monoxide and Cl2, it will be rate is equal to proportional constant CO is 2, and here molar concentration of CO is 2 and Cl2 is 1/2. Then order of reaction will be 2 plus 1/2 is equal to 5/2 in 1.5 in a fractional number. So it will be fractional order of reaction. And last one is the pseudo order of reaction. बच्चों, कुछ केमिकल रिएक्शन को देखने से यह लगता है इनका ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, लेकिन एक्चुअली एक्सपेरिमेंटल वैल्यू क्या होती है, वह फर्स्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन होती है। यानी कुछ केमिकल रिएक्शन देखने से तो लगते हैं कि उनके ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन एक से बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, बट एक्चुअली वो होते हैं फर्स्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन। इस प्रकार के रिएक्शन को हम स्यूडो ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन कहते हैं, जिससे एथिल एसिड ethyl acetate react with H2O gives acetic acid plus ethyl alcohol. This is pseudo first order of reaction. Methyl acetate react with water gives methyl acetate and methyl alcohol. Pseudo first order of reaction. And photosynthesis reaction which occurs in green plant plus respiration in human and other animals are coming in a order of reaction. Okay?